Hello students and welcome back. This is the part 2 of political parties MCQ and short answers. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1. Let's quickly start the part 2. The condition for a political party to be recognized as a national party is, options are, it must win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. It must secure at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states. None of these or both of these. So students, जो इसका आंसर है कि क्या कंडीशन है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को एक नेशनल पार्टी की जगह रिकॉग्नाइज किया जाए, उसका आंसर है दोनों ही रिक्वायर्ड है. सो आंसर इज बोथ ऑफ दीज. लेट्स रीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑन द बुक आल्सो. So if we refer the book, okay, the Election Commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be a recognized party. Okay, a party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. तो हम नेशनल पार्टी की बात कर रहे हैं. स्टेट पार्टी के लिए आपको चाहिए 6% ऑफ द टोटल वोट्स इन एन इलेक्शन टू द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ऑफ अ स्टेट एंड विन एटलीस्ट 2 सीट्स इन, ये हो जाएगी स्टेट पार्टी. अ पार्टी दैट सिक्योर्स एटलीस्ट 6% ऑफ द total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly election in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as national party. Parties function through the way they want to, मतलब की मर्जी होती है कैसे भी करें, policies and programs, demands of the people, or none of the above. And answer for this, students, is parties function through policies and programs. हम बुक को भी रेफर करते हैं. अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हु कम टुगेदर टू कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शंस एंड होल्ड पावर इन द गवर्नमेंट. दे एग्री ऑन सम पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोग्राम्स फॉर द सोसाइटी विद अ व्यू टू प्रमोट द कलेक्टिव गुड. Which one of the following is considered the best form of government? That's an easy one. Dictatorship, monarchy, military rule, or democracy. So तो आपको सबको पता है democracy is considered as the best form of government. An example of a country where two-party system exists is China, United Kingdom, India और पाकिस्तान. तो बड़ा इजी आंसर है इसका स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता होगा इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में तो मल्टी पार्टी है, चाइना में सिंगल है. तो द टू पार्टी सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट इन ओनली इन यूनाइटेड किंगडम. Which one of the following countries has one party system? Indochina, China, Japan, or Germany? Very easy. China has one party system. Which of these statements is correct regarding the political parties or the elections? It offers same special facilities to large and established election commission. Every party in the country has to register with the election commission. The commission treats all the parties equally. So all are true. So it's all of the above. Which party has an example of a multi-party system? Again, a very easy. India is having a multi-party system, so that's the answer. USA is two-party. China again single party, and United Kingdom again two-party. So multi-party only India in this. Which one of the following political parties is exposed secularism and welfare of weaker section and minority? Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India Marxist, Bahujan Samaj Party और भारतीय जनता पार्टी. So students, this is very important MCQ. ऐसी कौन सी पार्टी है जिसने सेक्युलरिज्म को एक्सपोज किया और वीकर सेक्शन और माइनॉरिटी के लिए वेलफेयर के लिए काम किया? इसका जवाब है बहुजन समाज पार्टी. हम बुक भी रेफर करते हैं. बहुजन समाज पार्टी was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kashi Ram, and it seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, other backward classes, and religious minorities. A recognized political party is one that is registered with the Election Commission of India, correct? To be a recognized political party, the political party has to be registered with the Election Commission of India. It is given a unique election symbol, that is also correct. A recognized political party gets a unique election symbol. It gets some other facilities and recognized by the Election Commission both. So again, that is also the answer is all of these is true with the recognized political party. Which of these countries has a one party system? So आप देख रहे होंगे students, this kind of MCQ is coming again. So just remember, China has one party system, USA has two party, UK two party, and India multi party. Who among the following recognizes political parties in India? Speaker of Lok Sabha, Supreme Court, Election Commission, or President of India? It's a very easy one again, students. We know the political parties only get recognized by the Election Commission of India. So answer is Election Commission. Political parties are most visible institutions in a democracy because most people in a democracy are not critical of political parties. This is not the correct answer. Even less educated citizens know about political parties. That is also correct. Parties have become identified with social and political divisions, and for ordinary citizens, democracy is equal to political parties. So students, आप देखेंगे most people in a democracy are not critical of political parties. वो political parties की critics नहीं होते हैं, उनकी कोई ना कोई एक अपनी political party होती है. So that is why political parties are the most visible institutions in a democracy. Which party is the oldest political party in India? Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party, Indian National Congress, or Bharatiya Janata Party? And answer for this, students, is Indian National Congress is one of the oldest political party in India. One of the demerits of a multi-party is that it often appears very messy and leads to political defection, corruption, instability और aristocracy. So students, हमने देखा होगा जो मल्टी पार्टीज होती हैं, इट अपीयर्स वेरी मेसी, मतलब हर जगह से कोई नई पार्टी आ जाती है, नया कैंडिडेट आ जाता है, और नॉर्मली जब इलेक्शन हो जाते हैं एक पार्टी को अगर पूर्ण बहुमत मिल जाता है तब तो ठीक है, अगर कम बहुमत मिलता है तो कोalition गवर्नमेंट बनती है. सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज लाइक इट लीड्स टू पॉलिटिकल instability. That's the one demerit. In which of the following states does Shiv Sena exist as a regional political party? Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra और Gujarat? It's a very easy question, students. आपको पता है शिव सेना महाराष्ट्र में है, and it is a regional political party in Maharashtra. Name the political party that emerged out of mass movement. बहुजन समाज, फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक, DMK और जनता दल. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इसका आंसर है द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दैट एमर्ज्ड आउट ऑफ मास मूवमेंट वाज जनता दल. And students, this brings to the last question of the part 2 of political parties. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed giving it to you. So the last question is, which political party believes in Marxism and Leninism? Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India, Nationalist Congress Party, or Dravid Munitra Kazhagam, or DMK? So students, the political party which believes in Marxism and Leninism is Communist Party of India. Thank you students for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your life and exams. Keep watching and keep sharing.